if the calendar search function is not working on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now the first thing you should do is just go to the recent apps section and remove the calendar app from the recent app section. Now just reload the app and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then after you open the calendar app, just tap on the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen, and from here just select all these groups, because if they are unselected, they will be hidden from your calendar app. So just make sure that all these options are selected on your calendar. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just tap on Calendar. Now under the calendar settings, you will find the option of sync. Just tap on it. Now if it is on 2 weeks back or any other option, just select all events. After you select all events, then just go back, and from here just tap on calendar accounts. Now first of all, just select any third-party email account like your Gmail. Now if the toggle for calendar has been disabled, just enable it back on. And if it is already enabled, just turn it off and select remove from my iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable it back on. Now just do the same with all the other email accounts on your iPhone. Now after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the settings. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. Now just scroll down, then tap on iCloud Calendar. Now if use on this iPhone has been disabled, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, you will sync all the calendar related data from your iCloud to your iPhone. Now after you have enabled this feature, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After the software update, just go back to General. Now this time, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset All Settings. Now just tap on Reset All Settings one more time and you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. Now do not worry, because this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the calendar search function not working issue on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.